Have you ever heard of orange peel tea? We have talked about the benefits of orange and a few other teas here on the channel, but today we'll explain why you should drink orange peel tea. Do you want to know why? Orange peel tea has antioxidant properties that strengthen the immune system and help prevent problems like cancer, high blood pressure, diabetes, and colds. Besides, it is a good option to aid in weight loss, as it helps eliminate the excess of fluids, reducing bloating. And that's why it also helps detox the liver, fighting the free radicals and removing toxins from the body. In addition to these benefits, this tea helps treat varicose veins, thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, and improves blood circulation, which prevents varicose veins and relaxes tired legs. Orange peel tea also controls high blood pressure, since it improves arterial health and prevents free radical formation, preventing high blood pressure. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. The tea enhances insulin function, which controls blood sugar and prevents diabetes. Lastly, it protects the cells of the nervous system against free radicals, even helping prevent some diseases such as dementia, Alzheimer's, and Parkinson's. And if that wasn't enough, orange peel tea also prevents flu and colds, since it has 3 times more vitamin C than the fruit itself. How to make it? The tea can be made with dried or fresh peels, but it is always better to choose organic oranges since they don't contain pesticides. If you use regular orange peels, you may have some headaches or vomiting, but it usually only happens if you consume too much. You will need 1 tablespoon of orange peels, fresh or dehydrated, without the white part, and 7 ounces of water. If you are using fresh peels, remember to clean the orange before peeling. Boil the water in a pot or kettle. Turn off the heat. Wait until the water is warm. Then add the orange peel. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Then drink without adding sugar or sweetener. Try it and share your experience with us.